Hi everybody, welcome to another update on the stock screener. I recently upgraded my Excel to include real-time data. And I wanted to show you this because you can also apply this technique on your Excel sheet. So let's take Soma Gold as an example. So instead of updating all of this data manually, for example, the share price. I don't want to keep on updating this share price every day, right? Because it changes every day. And I will need to do this for every gold miner on this Excel. I don't want to do that. I want to automate this by taking the data from the internet. This is called scraping the data. How do you do this? To make it easy, you can just add a table and get the data from the web. So for example, I put the data here. This is the data coming from the internet, from Yahoo Finance. So I take this number here and I put it here. How do I do that? So you just click from web, right? You take this link, you just put it in here. Then it will go to that website and scrape the tables and data from that website. So here you have the tables, and I will need table 0 because there is my number. Of course, click on transform data because sometimes that data is not correct, and in this case it's not correct because it's a text. So we just transform it to number, and then you get your data as a number. And you can choose to close and load it to your existing worksheet like this. And that will add this column. Okay, and this column you can just refresh every day, and then automatically you will get all of your data from the internet by just clicking on refresh all. Then all your worksheets will be updated. So this number I will take and I just refer to that like this. So this way my share price will be updated with one click of the mouse. That's for the share price. The gold price should also be scraped from the internet, and I have put the column here. This I took from Trading Economics, this gold price here. So this is the link. And you do the same, you do from web. You put the link in here. And then you can just choose your table. This is the table that I need. This is the gold price. Transform data and load to this sheet, and then you get this number. So that number is now put into my Excel. A click of the mouse, you can get that gold price number. And I have used this to calculate enterprise value to free cash flow. So this is the gold price. That's table 1, and table 1 is this table here, right? Yeah, that's table 1, okay? And table 1 for this number here, the 1960. So from now on, I can just click on refresh, and it will take table 1's actual gold price and input it in my formula for the EV to free cash flow calculation. So it's really easy now. I don't need to keep on changing the share price. I don't need to keep track of what the gold price is. If the gold price goes to 1500, then my EV to free cash flow will be automatically updated, right? Because the enterprise value changes with the share price and the free cash flow changes with the gold price. So this number will be always accurate. So let's see how it works in real time. Just look at Soma Gold. Okay, look at this particular candle here. And now I'm going to click on refresh all. By the way, also this candle will change because the leverage changes with the gold price and the price of the stock. So look at this candle and this candle. So now I'm going to click refresh all, and it should update to the latest gold price and share price. Let's see if this changes. It's refreshing the whole sheet. Yeah, you see it? It does change. It is still refreshing. Still refreshing. There are a lot of gold miners. Still refreshing. I'm waiting for Soma Gold. Takes quite a bit of time. I can only look at one candle. There's also the candle to the left on the left chart. You can watch that one. I will watch this one. See if it changes. And yeah, I saw it change. It went up a bit. Why did it go up? Because the enterprise value went up from last Friday. Soma Gold went up a bit. So that's why it popped up a bit. I haven't seen this one. Well, I think it went down because if the market cap goes up, then leverage goes down. But it's still at 6.6. Okay, so this is how this changes real time. This is updated to 1980, which is this number. And Soma Gold has been updated to 0.64 because it was at 0.6 the last time. Now it's 0.64. So with one click of the mouse, everything changes in this Excel sheet. This is amazing. I don't have to update every sheet ever again. Just click on refresh all and I will have my up-to-date chart of gold miners. And then I can choose one of the lowest EV to free cash flows. I can also choose the one with the highest leverage, Soma Gold and Mako Mining. And that's it. A very easy way to choose my gold mine. And I can always add a new gold mine to this chart and keep on doing this. By the way, I also have break-even costs. This is also an important parameter. We choose the ones with the lowest cost. In this case, Mako Mining is the lowest cost producer, so that's very good. We want a low cost. Soma Gold is also one of the lower cost producers. We do not want to buy these ones with high costs. Why? Because if costs go up with the gold price, then also these costs will go up. And that's a problem, because if gold goes up and the costs go up, then you don't have any leverage. You have a problem because of these low margins. However, if you buy a low cost gold mine, like Mako Mining, if gold goes up, yeah, costs also go up, but at a slower pace because costs are low already. So if this goes up 10% and goes here, while this one, Equinox Gold, if this goes up 10%, it goes like this, much higher. So you want to buy low cost mines and you want to buy low EV to free cash flow because that's cheaper, of course, better value. You don't want to buy Newmont Mining, which has 30 EV to free cash flow. Nobody is going to buy this except Warren Buffett. We buy these smaller mines, these cheaper mines. And of course, you want to have leverage. Buy these ones. Don't buy Alamos Gold or Orla Mining that has no leverage. Even worse, it has 0.6 leverage, which is lower than gold. You better buy gold than Alamos Gold or Orla Mining. Even Agnico Eagle, 1 leverage. It's better to just buy gold instead of Agnico Eagle. It's not worth it. So you need to have some leverage, preferably the highest leverage. Soma Gold has 6.6 leverage. Very good. If gold doubles, then this will go 600%, 700%, 7x. So yeah, these are much better than these. And then of course mine life, which is also important to look at. You want high mine life. I agree, Soma Gold is at the low end and Mako Mining as well, but take into account if they are such a low producer, if they can drill some holes, then they will find a lot of resources because they produce so little gold, right? With the same amount of drilling, they can increase their resources very fast. And that's why I think Soma Gold and Mako Mining are the best to invest in right now. And I have just shown you how to do this. So take this information and try to do yourself and create this nice automated technique for your gold miners. The next step is to do power automate on this and let Excel do it automatically for you. So you don't even need to click on the refresh button, right? It will do it by itself. It will open the Excel, it will click on the refresh, and it will do it themselves. But that's even more complex, and that's for another time. So for now, just create this table and then click refresh, and then you will have a nice up-to-date chart. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.